Welcome back to another video, guys. In this one, we need to use CSS animation. If you don't know the basics of CSS animation, go check out my previous video. Link will be in the description, or click on the eye icon displayed on top. And as always, the source code will be uploaded on the GitHub and you can download the code from the link given in the description. You can modify the code and use it in your own project. Let's start. Here I have used a background image, an image for Mars, and I have given two separate animations for both. We need font or some icons, and I am using Nunito font for this project. Select the font weights and import it into your style. We need font or some styles also. Here we have a background image of Mars, in the header, a logo, navbar items, and some contents. I will first create HTML structure for the project. So first in our header, we need a logo and list of items. And for these contents, I will wrap this icon and text inside a anchor tag, and those two anchor tags inside a container div. Inside a span tag, we need the font awesome icon. And after that, we need the text. For the bottom contents, I will use OL tag once more and each items inside the LI tag. Now we can start styling this. First I will remove the default margin and padding and give box sizing border box. Now for our background image, I will give position fixed and the background image URL. And for our anchor tags, we don't need the underline, and color is white. And for every oil tags, we need to remove the list style type. And we have used all the oil tags for horizontal items, so I will give display flex as well. We need to give an overlay for this background image. Now for our container, we need to give position relative so that we can see the content. First I will style our header and this contents. Then we can start animating the background image and Mars. For our header, we need to give display flex and justify content space between to place them on opposite sides. Give some padding and align item center to make it vertically in center. For our logo, we need to change the font weight, font size, make it uppercase, and give some letter spacing. Now for the navigation items, we need to give some padding, change the font weight and opacity. And for the first item, I will change the opacity to 1. Now for the contents, We need some space between the icon and contents. And for the first icon, we need to give background color. The contents are outside the span tag, not inside. Next, we need to give some width, height, and border radius. Now for the last icon, we need to give a round border, some height, width, and border radius. Now for our final contents in the bottom section. Now we can start animating the background image and Mars. For the background image, we need to zoom in and zoom out. For that, I will give it name scaling, duration 60 seconds, timing function linear, we don't need any delay, and iteration count infinite. And in keyframes, identifier name is scaling, and when starts, we need our scale to 1. After 30 seconds, we need to scale it to twice its size, and when animation completes, we need to scale it back. Now for our Mars, we need to change the size, position, and rotate it. I will give name movement, same 60-second duration, same timing function linear, without any delay, and iteration count will be infinite. Now we need to define the movement inside keyframes. When it starts, width should be small. Start from top 10%, right side, and rotation 0 degree. In half, we need to increase the size, change the top value, and we need it on the right side, and it should be rotating. And when the animation completes, width should be same as starting point, top value and right value. We need to complete the rotation once. So I will give rotate 360 degrees. Now our background image will zoom in for 30 seconds. At the same time, our Mars will also zoom in with rotation and changing position. After 30 seconds, it will go back to the default state. You can find the link to the code in the description. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading videos like this every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. For now, bye guys.